players? Have you seen any JJs, any Kanus?
Well, I have a list here. I think I did a lot of JJs. No, I have a list here. I think for those in Edo State, they should be. I think Sulaiman should be very happy that the highest goal scorer is from Edo State, and he got 3 goals.
Sulaiman
So far, yeah, Sulaiman should be very happy, and the chairman CEO of Channel Television should be happy that Edo State, the highest goal scorer so far is Otabo Kenneth. He's a midfielder. He got 3 goals so far. He scored 3 goals.
Midfielder, not an attacker.
No, midfielder. He got 3 goals against the team from Jigawa State. That is Central Primary School, Gagarawa in Jigawa State. Okay. They beat the team 5-1. So, at least he's one of the top players. But we have another from Lagos, wonderful player, Precious Chinedu, jersey number 3, brilliant, and shows some promise. And jersey number 10, Tijani Kazim. Then Adam Babiru, very short, small, but they look like the player from the future. And some from Anambra State. Well, let me just mention the fact that those Anambra guys, they've shown a lot of promise, and I just because a lot of players.